Something I've noticed with the software update involves the climate control. Let's see if I can get back to it. There it is. CleanZone. Apparently this is, I guess it's a trademark, but what it is it's saying that conditions are right for the cleanest air in the cabin, which means all your windows and doors are closed. You've got the HVAC on, you've got the blower on, and it's not on recirculated. Those are the criteria, at least for this software iteration. It's kind of strange because that means you've got air coming into the car. So like if I don't know if I turn it off, actually that's defrost, isn't it? See, if I go to recirculation, it still says CleanZone. I don't know how it determines whether it's actually CleanZone or not. Oh, no, it went off, you see? Now I put recirculation off and the blue should come back on. But we all know that you should be recirculating, you should be filtering, you should have a HEPA system like Tesla does on a lot of their models. This is deceptive. Bringing in the air outside is usually the exhaust of the vehicle in front of you. It's not a good idea. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Well, I got an error here, as is typical. Let's try it again with a different charger now. Maybe this one will work. Doesn't seem to be working yet. Oh yeah, it's working, all right. Woo. Not as smooth as I'm used to with Tesla, but at least it's working.